Hi, I'm Riggs Eckelberry, and I co-founded OriginClear almost 13 years ago. And I can tell you this, it's been an amazing journey. We've learned that the water industry is a huge industry. It's $1 trillion by now and growing, but it's slow moving. And if you want to make change happen, as I do, I came up through the internet, the whole .com days, and accustomed to fast growth, and it's been a challenge. It's not the water industry's fault. It's a fact that it's very, very hard to get water projects done. There's permits, there's designs, there's getting everybody to agree. Technology issues are enormous, and of course there's capital, right? And in fact, capital probably is the biggest problem of all. I think that if capital was not the issue, things would move a lot faster. And so we feel that we have addressed the capital problem, and it was ironically the disruption of this coronavirus that made us go, wait a minute, we have to do something different. We can't just imagine that the water industry is just going to magically start growing by leaps and bounds. It does 3 to 6% per year. Well, that's not enough, right? That doesn't even keep up with population growth. So we were forced by the virus to look at what was going on and to go, okay, how can we really rev things up? And we feel we've done it. It's a project called Investor Water. You can take a look at it. Really fascinating. We also really wanted to make it possible for anybody, nearly anybody in America, to invest easily. $500 minimum. We offer a dividend subject to an offering circular, which you must read, but an easy way to invest that would help us do our job and give you better yield than you can get from the money market or whatever. And so now, what have we got? We've got a company that's really designed for the new economy. That's why we say it's the water company for the new economy. We're fast moving. We have solved, we think, the capital problem. We have an easy way for people to invest. We are able to move the company in a direction that we think it will become a major player. Now, when water companies become major players, they last. The dominant water company in the world was actually started during the reign of Louis XIV in France, hundreds of years ago. So these are durable, and they do good work. But we are the company, we think, that's fast moving, that thinks in terms of internet speed, digital applications and marketplaces, and breaking things down, not these massive municipal projects, but things that a brewery might do, or a housing development. These are ordinary sized water projects. We think that they will grow faster. I often say that in California we won't see the high-speed bullet train, but we'll see the self-driving car. Why? Because the freeways are already there, and it's pretty easy to do. It's hard, but it's not trillions of dollars hard. And so we think a similar thing needs to happen in the water industry, which is to bypass all the big, heavy, billion-dollar, trillion-dollar water projects and actually get into solutions on the ground right where the problem occurs. We call that decentralized water. It's a very important trend, we think. So between decentralized water, investor water, which is how we think we've figured out how to finance this, and that's an important pilot project we have going, and then this radically new way of giving people a way to make a decent yield with potentially converting to stock if they feel the time is right, they think that we've done our job right and the stock takes off. Your decision. We would never get in the way of that, but at least the option's there. So it's a wonderful, simple, elegant way to invest and do better than what you are able to in the economy today. So I wanted to tell you the link for this particular offering. It's very important. It's www.oc.gold/offering. OC, OriginClear. Water is the new gold, so gold, right? Offering. So www.oc.gold/offering. And to find out about it in a more folksy way, because you'll see a lot of a dense small print, which you must read, go to originclear.com. At the top there's a big red band. Click on that. and you'll read about what we've accomplished, where we're going, what we're doing, what kind of company we are. And if you agree with us that this is a good thing we're doing, please invest. I welcome it, and I would like you to join me every week, Thursday, 5 p.m. Pacific. You find out about it on our site, originclear.com/CEO, and I give a briefing. One Thursday out of every month, it's a video webinar, first Thursday, and the rest of the time it's audio. But the audio ones are really interesting because I just sort of get, relaxed and don't get into big presentations, so it has its own value. So I'd like you to join me for that too, please. Whatever you do, don't be a stranger, join our Facebook page. We don't need you to invest, but pass the word, okay? Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you on our site, originclear.com.